god, the aroma is so good.
Welcome to Neutral Vibes. Today we'll be doing Escovitch sliced fish. This is the Jamaican Dutch pot, and we'll be frying our fish in this Dutch pot. Original Jamaican Dutch pot. Ooh. So as you can see, our cold is already caught. So I'll just be gently placing this pot on the fire. Awesome. This lovely Scotch bonnet pepper will now be picked from my backyard garden. Oh, isn't this lovely? So this will be placed in my pot. Some garlic. No. Oh my god, this is bursting with a... I'm just sitting down waiting for the fish to be properly fried before I actually get up from my comfort zone right now.
I'm cooking. This is so amazing, guys. I'm doing the cooking today. Well, should I say oversee what's still cooking? Very beautiful, guys. Come and look. We're going to start making our Escovitch sauce.
to the sauce, which will be simmered for the fish. Oh, lovely this is. So we have onions, we have carrot, our scotch bonnet pepper, and also our garlic. Cooking with Nutetral, cooking with Nutetral. So we're through frying our fish. We're also through making our sauce. So we'll now be applying sauce to fish. Join me. Come along. Come over. This smells so good. Product of our Jamaican sliced Escovitch fish. Yummy, 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 yummy.
I will be indulging in this.
No, she's not a lover of fish.
Yes, I'm gonna be eating it. So cooking in the backyard with Nutetral Vibes.
We hope you like, subscribe, and share.